Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. And in this video, today our part is present perfect continuous tense part 3. And in today's part, today we will learn that is when not to use the present perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. We know we can't use any kinds of continuous tenses including present perfect continuous tense, that is stative verb. But what does it mean? Stative verb indicates a kind of state. It can indicate your mental state, your physical state, your emotional state. Okay, this is called, and it is also indicate you something, your possession, something you have, something you own. So this type of verbs is called stative verbs. So let's see. If we say, I have been believing his story all this time, it's wrong to say this sentence. Instead of these, we can use this. Okay, we have to say by this, I have believed his story all this time. So here we can say, I have believed. I have believed. Next, she has been loving chocolate for years. So here, it's in the present perfect continuous, but it's wrong. Because love, it can be an emotional state or it can be the mental state. Okay, it doesn't mean that it doesn't indicate it's continue. Okay, because it's a verb, stative verb. Instead of these, it's wrong. We can say instead of this, she has loved chocolate for years by using simple tenses instead of continuous. The next, they have been owning this house for a decade. What else we can say? Not. We can say they have owned. What? Because owned something is a possession. They have owned this house for a decade. So these are the most common situations, and in this types of common situation, we can use the present perfect continuous tense. So I hope you like this, and that's simple. So if you like this video, just like, comment, share, and follow our video. And see you in the next video, everyone, and bye for now.